But speak. Good boy. Come on, man. We cheated. Shouldn't be no damn noise in this radio. I mean, in this film as of yet. The noise is coming. Yeah, I need to clean my bench off. I rebuilt the water pump here the other day. 3 or 4 different things. Got some little stuff done. And it's, right junky. Right, yeah, it ain't too bad, but it's bad enough. I need to clean it off. It is right now. I'm on the phone with Sean and doing the video all at once. Well, the noise coming through, I think, is coming from this radio right here. This radio has some fans in it. And I don't know if everybody knows it, but I'm deaf. I can't hear it. I know you hear it on this film here, but I swear, I've had people sit down here at this table and say they don't hear it. I don't know whether it's picking up rattling coming from this radio going through this bench, and I got an arm that comes over there. It's adjustable, and my camera apparatus is on here, and this is plastic, by the way, PVC, with a copper rod drove through it to be stiff for a arm so I can do my camera work. Well, let's see if it makes a noise when I turn the radio on. I'm going to turn the volume completely down. Well, they can't hear because I got the earphones in my ears. Say hello, Sean. Say hello, I'm Sean. Alright, I put my loud-ass earbuds up out to the camera. I probably picked it up. But yeah. I'm on the phone with Sean Pissoff. Pissoff. Sean pissed off. Sean piss off. Alright. I think noise comes from that radio. And the only other fan I got up here in this would be in the power supply that's back of it behind here. So if I got any other noise in it, I've not heard it through anything but the camera. So duh. Alright then, later.